All right. Are we on? Can you see, guys?
Yep.
All right. So, review lang tayo sa kahapon natin na pag-usapan. Balikan natin yung the secrets to become a pro networker, online networker. Okay. Tama yung sinabi ni Miss Resyo kanina na nakakapagod ng maging offliner. Okay? So, i-touch na natin yung mundo ng online. Okay? So English, let's also learn the online networking. First, online networking is all about using your platform. If you have Facebook, if you have Twitter, if you have Instagram, use all your accounts to build value. How do you build values? You post anything about your product or anything about your business. So probably you can also post inspirational messages or benefits of your product and benefits of your business. Or sometimes, you can also post the testimonials of the business. Yung mga taong kumita, mga taong kumikita na sa ganitong negosyo. So, i-post lang po natin yon. Okay, so i-run through lang natin to kasi continuation lang naman to from yesterday. Number one, wait meron tayong kapitbahay na naka-unmute. Okay. 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 So, wala na. Okay. So, number one, we need to build our personal brand. When you say personal brand, ano yung image na gusto mong makita ng mga clients mo when you post or do your social media presence? Now, for example, like me, my self-image is I'm a young entrepreneur, a happy, funny guy, earning millions. So that's my self-image. That's why I have those cars. I have those sports cars because that's the image I want. So we are all different. No, for some people, no, I don't like this. I want like this. Okay, we respect that. But the image that I want to throw my market is I'm a young entrepreneur, funny, happy guy with lots of money, with lots of cars. Yun yung imaging ko. Now, if you ask me, Piwi, why is that your imaging? Why do you wanna do that? Isn't it a waste of money? Isn't it passe already? Isn't it everybody's doing it already? Okay, here's my reason. My market are the young ones. Sino yung young ones? We're talking about 25, 30 below. People who yung wala pang asawa. People yung wala pang mga anak. Yun yung specific market ko. But I'm not saying na to close your door sa mga senior, sa mga negosyante, sa mga tita, tito. No, no. Kanina mga sumama sa akin mga mga may edad na. So I'm not saying you only talk to this. No, 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 I'm not saying that. I'm just saying pick a market and then the market will react on you. Okay? So kasi may kasabihan, if you talk to everybody, you talk to no one. If you talk to someone, a specific market, then you're talking to someone. For example, Grand Cherokee, you're talking to a class A, class B market. Class A most especially. Hindi mo pwede ibenta ang Grand Cherokee sa class C. Hindi ka pwedeng humilera sa mga low-end brand. 'Di ba like Rolex or Patek Philippe or Zara or Bose speakers or iPhone. Every product has a specific market. Okay? So in this business, you are the first product. A product should be packaged properly. 'Di ba? If you're selling, for example, have you tried buying an iPhone and then when you receive your iPhone, you feel so prestige that when you open the box, yung silyado, talagang parang well prepared. That's what you call packaging. But the product is inside the cell phone itself. But the company spend a lot of money packaging that product. So in our business, the first product here is you. That's why for some people, bakit kaya sila ganon? Ba't sila bumibili ng kotse? Ba't sila bumibili ng ganitong mga Rolex, Patek Philippe? Ba't sila nagyayabang? Bakit sila kulang ba sila sa pansin? Ba't may Louis Vuitton? Ba't may Gucci? Bakit there's a reason behind buying a Ferrari or Lamborghini We are not buying all of this stuff because of a personal reason. We are buying this because of business packaging. So if you are a networker, I'm sorry to say, but you have to face the fact that buying a beautiful car is an asset. It's not a liability. Ano, Piwi? Ay, okay na ako sa Innova. Okay na ako sa ganito. Okay na ako sa Vio sa ganito. Okay. But you are a networker. When you buy a car, it brings you a lot of money in return. Bumili ka ng Mercedes, bumili ka ng Range Rover, it will give you more income. Why? People would see good results on you. People would see, oh wow, si Jackie Wong. Before, ito lang sinadrive. Bigla na lang dumating kami dito. Si Jackie Wong in Iloilo driving a Ferrari. What will happen next? Di ba, dami inquiry sa kanya. Excuse me, Miss Jackie, ano po yung business nyo? So, potential market will approach you. Again, because you are a networker. So, beautiful cars, beautiful gadgets, beautiful jewelries, beautiful clothes, they are assets. They are not liability. If you're an engineer, if you are a doctor, if you're a lawyer, those are liabilities because buying a car will not give you money. Buying a Rolex or a beautiful jewelry will not give you money because you are a lawyer. What for? Architect ka, anong gagawin mo sa Lamborghini? But if you are a networker, it's an asset. So it's a self-image. So tonight, list down 5. What are the self-image that you want to see? I want to be seen like, for example, no, for Ana Resio, I want to be seen as a mom, a working mom, an entrepreneur, a strong woman with the big dreams, who loves the beach, who wants a lifetime freedom traveling. That in this business, I can travel the world. I can go be to New Zealand. I can the next day I can be in Canada. The next day I'll be in the US. The next day I'll be in Boracay. You can do that. Yun yung self-image mo. You are selling lifestyle. Out of 10 Filipinos, 9 cannot go on vacation anytime because they have to wait for Holy Week or whatever vacation in their office. But if you package yourself as a young single woman, single mom, can travel the whole world, bini-video mo yon, bina-vlog mo yon. Hi guys, I'm here in Honolulu. I'm having my ice cold lemon tea. Then tomorrow I'll be in Boracay. I'll be having my tan there. After Boracay, I'll be going to Palawan. I'll be have my nails done there. Then next week I'll be in New Zealand to have my pores closed. You know, something like that. If you love traveling, go post that. Pakita mo sa kanila nagta-travel ka. Because one way or another, people will ask you, what are you doing? How can you afford going to those places? Hindi ka ba nagtatrabaho? Aren't you working? So you have to have that hook. Yung hook kasi, yung hook is something that people would approach you. What are you doing? For me, my hook are my cars. A young guy driving a Ferrari, driving a Lamborghini, smiling, going out with the rubber shoes, hoodie, with 2 young ladies, kids. Bata pa to, paano to nagka-Ferrari? Eh, ang dami ng tumanda, namatay na nga kahit nga Mercedes di nagkaroon. Etong batang para naglalaro, because that's an imaging. Because the market that I am touching are the young ones. Again, the Gen Zs. Yung walang asawa, walang pamilya. Why? Anong reason ko? Why am I targeting that one? Because they are the fastest market. If you talk to people who may asawa, guys, sorry, excuse me sa mga tao may asawa dito tsaka may mga anak. If you are targeting this market are very slow. Why? Ito na yung market, ang daming dahilan. I'll talk to my husband, I'll talk to my wife, I cannot sleep late kasi I have to sleep na early kasi tomorrow I have like this. Masyado na madaming dahilan. So, we respect that. No? Kasi kanya-kanya naman tayo. But again, if you focus on the young ones, you put them under your team, they are the fastest ones. Sino-sino sila? College students, young entrepreneurs, kaka-graduate lang. looking for income, looking for business, looking for a career. Someone is like to 30 below, 30 below, 35 below. Dahil 'pag may anak na 'yan, ang bagal na niyan. "I cannot go out eh, kasi si ano, si baby daughter needs me to be here. I have to go kasi si ano, si baby daughter, she has like this, she has ganito, she has ballet, she has ganito." I mean, that sounds familiar? Yeah, because a person who has a family already, divided na yung kanyang obligation. Divided na yung utak niya. And nothing wrong with that. I'm just telling you the fact na yun talaga ang market. If you focus on 40 above, I will let you know. This is the worst We'll let you know we're still in the hospital kasi currently my husband has experiencing diabetes. Oh, may mga sakit na. What would you expect? Madadamay ka network mo doon. Lagi may sakit, lagi may dahilan. Hindi makapunta, may anak, may asawa. May ganito di makalis kasi masakit na likod. I mean, this is just an eye-opener, guys, But I am not saying na wag niyo kausapin yung mga may edad. No. No, kaya nga 'di ba rule number one, talk to everyone, lahat market mo. Ang sinasabi ko lang dito, guys, sino yung target specific market mo and then the rest follows. Kasi yan ang mga mabibilis. Ang sinasabi ko lang dito sa meeting natin, these are the fastest networkers. If you put them under your team, they're the fastest. Okay, wag na tayo lumayo. Let's think about you opening a new company called ABC Company. Now you need to have managers, you need to have supervisors, you need to have general managers and agents. Now, meron kang applicants. Who would you get? The young ones? Anong ginagawa ng mga big companies? Do they get the young ones or they get the old ones? They first put priority on the young ones. Why? The young ones, number one, fresh mind. Number two, can work better. Number three, can work faster. Number four, wala kang hassle dyan. Hindi palagi masakit katawan yan. Huli na lang yung mga medyo may edad kung talagang magaling. Pero most likely yung mga may edad, madami ng dahilan yon. So think about that idea tonight, guys. But again, I'm not saying na, guys, do not talk to anyone for 40 above. I am 40 years old, but I'm doing well. Ann Garcia is 40 years old above. She's doing well. Ana Reyes is doing well. Jackie and Chris Cabal is doing, everybody here is doing well. Ito lang is we are just trying to narrow down sino talaga dapat ang kausap mo. Okay? Doc Mariano is doing well. Diba? We have how many signups today? Diba? But again, this is just an idea for you sino yung dapat mong i-target. Now, when you package yourself, next, when you say packaging, how you want to see yourself and how you want others to see you, that's your branding. Okay? So for example, no, like me, I want people to see me as a young entrepreneur, millionaire who have lots of money, who have lots of cars, a happy, funny guy. That's me. Cool. Hi. Wow. That's me. And I want people to see me as a happy, cool, funny guy who's an entrepreneur or earning millions and lots of cars. That's my branding. Okay? Now for example, for Bo and Mo, you can brand yourself as I'm a basketball player, but I'm also an entrepreneur. I don't only put my time and effort in playing basketball. I'm a basketball entrepreneur or a basketball businessman. Michael Jordan is like that. Kobe Bryant is like that. They play, but they have their own business. Right, Boba? Right, Mo? Pwedeng si Gemma Copan. Pwede mong palabas yan. Ang packaging mo, ako ay taga Olonga po. Pero malaki ang pangarap ko, gusto ko maging milyonaryo. Pwede mong pakita yun. Na kahit nasa probinsya ka, pwede ka pa rin maging milyonarya. Meron akong kilala, ayoko na mag-mention ng name taga Cebu siya. She's a very successful networker. But she's in Cebu. So pwede mong pakita na kahit nasa probinsya ka, even though you are in Olongapo or in Iloilo or in Davao, you don't have to be in Metro Manila to become a millionaire. I can be a millionaire even though I'm in the province. That can be your packaging. Hi, I'm from Iloilo, but right now I'm currently blah blah blah. I'm earning 200,000, 300,000 per week, and now here's my new ganito. Pwede mo i-package na ganun yung sarili mo. It's up to you. So list down how do you want to package yourself. Now, branding is something that you self-imaging. When you say branding, dapat yan align yan do sa mission mo. Like me, ulitin ko, ang imaging ko, young, millionaire, cool, fresh, uh, plenty of money, cars. Bakit, Piwi? Bakit puro ganun na lang? Because that's what my market wants. Yun ang gusto ng mga 24 years old pababa. They want money, they want cars, they want they want to have fun. Because that's my market. Now, ikaw, kung market mo is ganito, give them what they want. Market mo is are the single moms, then let's focus on single moms. Market mo are the contractors, engineers, then we focus on engineers. Now, market mo are like basketball players, then let's focus on basketball players. Yung post natin is all about basketball player. Did you know that playing basketball, out of 10 basketball players right now, only one or two are living a good life because the eight, nothing. Nothing happened. They just focus on playing basketball. No business, no money. He can do that. My mission is very simple. Magbago ang buhay ng mga tao sa larangan ng network marketing katulad kung paano nabago ng buhay ng network marketing ang buhay ko. So in short, my mission is to make people rich and wealthy in the field of network marketing. Sa Tagalog, ang purpose ko ay magpayaman ng tao sa network marketing. Tapos na. Kaya mapapansin ninyo lahat ng lumalabas sa bibig ko lang tsaka sa post ko network marketing because that is my mission. It is already clear there. How can I make people become a millionaire in network marketing? That's my mission. Now, what is your mission? I want to help the single moms in the whole world that they can live life without a husband and still enjoy a luxury, wealthy life in this business. You can target that. Your mission could be, I want to be seen as the first Iloilo multimillionaire in this business. It can be a mission or alongga po. Or for Ryan Renz, our mission is that brothers can be a millionaire in network marketing. Kasi silang dalawa magkapatid, magkasama sila. Si Krisha naman, Harleen, your mission can be housewives can be a multi-millionaire in network marketing. Haley, 16 years old, like me, can also become a multi-millionaire network marketing. So, mag-a-align yung mission mo doon sa imaging mo. Kasi yung kinakausap ni Kurt, kinakausap ni Haley, hindi mo kinakausap yun. Magkaiba yun. Iba din kasi yung makikinig sa'yo, iba din yung makikinig kay Kurt. Iba yung makikinig kay Ryan Renz, kay Naomi. Magkaiba yun. Remember, if you're talking to everybody, you're not talking to anyone. But if you're talking to specifically a person, then you're talking to someone. So pick your market. A, B, C. Okay. Single mom, double mom, triple mom, what? Basketball player, young ones, old ones, who are you talking to? If you're selling St. Peter, you don't talk to young people. May mga bata, pag namatay kayo, kumuha kayo ng plano ng St. Peter. Dito po kayo, pag bumili kayo dito, ililibong po kayo na may 3 bulaklak sa harapan ninyo. Wala silang pakialam sa St. Peter mo. Sino kinakausap ng St. Peter? Eh di mga senior. Nagbebenta ka ng condominium. Kausapin mo bata, hindi bibili yan. College student, ano pang bibili niyan? Kulangot, libag? Hindi. Ano kinakausap ng nagbebenta ng condominium? Yung mga mayayaman. Can afford. If you're in Grand Cherokee, if you're selling Range Rover, Mercedes-Benz, you don't talk to Class C and D. You talk to Class A because they can afford Mercedes-Benz. Now, going back in our business, who are you talking to? People who can afford 5,000 pesos. People who will be your successful networkers under you. I bet you, the young ones are the fastest. Trust me. I started here 20 years old. By the age 23, 23, 24, I'm already a multi-millionaire holding 300 million plus plus plus. And I know I'm faster before than now. Before I don't sleep. Talagang usap every day. Siyempre, time will come. It's really like that. So anong gagawin natin? Maging mas smart na tayo. Hanapin na natin yung tulad natin dati. Kasi sila yung mabibilis. That makes sense, guys? Minsan, sila pa yung mas madali kausap. Sila pa yung excited kausap. Now, what are your values no, in our business? Our values in our business is very simple. One, our first value and principles, we make sure that everybody knows how to present, and we make sure that everybody is presenting every day. Second value, we make sure that everybody has at least one pay in every week, every one partner every week before Monday. Third value, we make sure that every night we are in our centerings every 9 p.m. Those are our values. Hindi siya madramang values because I know yung 1, 2, 3 pag nagawa nila yon, they will be a successful networker. Our values and principles are very, very practical. It's not overrated. No. Every day we talk to someone. Every week we have pay-in. Every night we're in centering. That's it. Very practical. From 12 years old until 98 years old can do that. Okay. Last, your vision. We want to be the top one of JC for the next coming months. We're giving ourselves additional 2 to 3 months. We are in top one already. Okay. So that's our goal. Not because we want to take someone out on the place, but it's just that that's our place and it should be like that. Bakit? Alam ko mas madami tayong matutulungan tao pag nandun tayo sa posisyon na 'yon. Kasi mas marami tayong matutulungan at may share ng storya. Okay? All right. So, number 2, create a value. Okay? When you say create a value, create some post. Look at the accounts of other people who's marketing online. Check how they post. Post something that can educate people about your business. Hi guys, did you know that drinking barley coffee every morning can help you reduce your inflammation, blah, 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 blah. Hi, guys. I'm with my business partner, PV, right here. He's one of the multi-millionaire in the business, and we are here in his meeting, and we are now discussing on how we can build our team. Or sometimes in our Zoom, you're just videoing this one. Hi, guys. We are now currently in our masterclass centering every night, 9 p.m. We're discussing how to build millions in a span of 3 to 6 months. And next, entertain. Hindi ka lang palagi nag-educate. Kailangan medyo happy ka din. Sometimes you entertain, you make them laugh, you make them, you know, crack some jokes. Just like Harleen, no? Si Harleen, ano niya na to eh, nakuha niya na yung entertainment posting, yung nagpapatawa siya. So do some entertainments also. And then lastly, you inspire. Like this, dito magaling ako dito sa inspiration. Sa education si Ann Garcia, tsaka si Ana Resio. Sa education about the product. Ako kasi hindi ako ganun eh. More on sa inspiration ako. I admit na pagtulungan natin pangarap mo. See that message I am talking to specifically a certain person. Pagtulungan natin pangarap mo. Sino ba may pangarap ngayon? 'Di ba mga may pangarap ngayon mga bata? Yung mga lagpasan ng 50 wala na pangarap. Ay, hindi, gusto ko lang ng simple life. Yung tama lang, yung ganito lang. Yung basta makakain lang kami 2 times a day, 3 times a day. Oh, 'di ba? I mean, there's nothing wrong, guys, ha. Sa mga nakikinig sa YouTube, sa video na to, I am not judging anybody, but that's their life, 'di ba? So hindi natin pwede sabihin ito tama, ito mali. It's just that that's how most are ganun ang routine. No, if you talk to 60, 70 years old, kamusta gusto mong buhay? Hindi, okay na akong ganito. Ayoko na yumaman. Usually, ganun ko nadidinig, sa mga medyo may, ano na. Pero if you talk to at 18 years old, Mataas ang pangarap na 18 years old. What do you wanna be when you grow up? I wanna be a billionaire. I wanna be a zillionaire. I wanna be a Superman. I wanna have a Rolls Royce. I wanna go to the US. Ang daming gustong gawin ng bata. Pero pag kinausap mo ang baliktad. See, that's the reality of life. Now, guys, we have to talk to the young ones. We have to educate, entertain, inspire them. We need to share contents that they like, addressing to them. See, when I inspire, pagtulungan natin pangarap mo, kapatid, Piwi Guasque, tapos may sticker pa ako doon. Para may nagmamark sa tao yung mukha ko. So that when they see me outside or maybe in the office, I remember this guy. This guy is the one putting inspirational quotes in his post. So there is a purpose why I put stickers in my face in my post, because I want to be remembered. And there's a reason why they're inspiration, because I am talking to a specific market. So you do that also. Share, contemplate on how is the emotions of the people you are targeting. If you're targeting single moms, share something. Ikaw ba'y nandyan na mag-isa ka sa buhay, meron kang dalawang anak, ikaw nagpapakain, ikaw nag-iisip, nasi-stress ka araw-araw, paano mo pagkakasyahin yung budget mo, yung trabaho mo, kulang yung sinisweldo, lakas ng, nandyan ka ba? Hi, I am, for example, I am Michelle Garcia, and I want to share to you kung ano yung nagbago sa buhay ko bilang single mom. Pero now, nakakapagawa ko lang ng bahay ko, nakabili lang ako ng kotse ko, and then tomorrow we are going to Singapore to just enjoy with my family. Kung nandyan ka, DM mo ko, PM mo ko, pagtulungan natin yung pagiging single mom mo. Bye! You are speaking to a certain market. Sa pool mo, single moms. For the young ones, kila Kurt, kila Ryan, kila Hailey, Naomi, etc. DJ. For example, specifically for Kurt, if you are a gamer, introvert ka, ayaw mo lumalabas ng bahay, kausapin mo yung mga taong tulad mo. You think ikaw lang ang taong introvert sa buong mundo? Hindi ang dami nyo. You think ikaw lang ang taong mahilig sa gaming? Ang dami nyo. You think ikaw lang yung taong ayaw lumabas ng bahay? Aba, mas madami kayo. After ng pandemic, everybody doesn't want to go out of the house. Talk to them. Create a video. Nandiyan ka ba na ayaw mo nakikipag-usap sa mga tao, sumasakit ulo mo, sa mga marites nila, gusto mo lang sa bahay lang, mag-gaming, mag-relax, pero may pangarap ka. Hi, by the way, I am Kurt Gison. I am a gamer. I don't like going out too much, but you know what? I just found out there is an opportunity online that can make me a millionaire today. I'm going down now in my condominium, get my Porsche Boxster. I'm just gonna have Starbucks with my friend, with my cat. Tapos papakita mo, nag-inom ka ni cat, bumalik ka na naman, bumalik sa Porsche mo, bumalik ka. And if you are there, you love staying at home, and you wanna be a millionaire, PM me. Meron kang matatouch na market, Kurt eh. Hailey is an introvert before. Harleen is an introvert before. They don't wanna go out. They don't even wanna talk to me. So there are a lot of people who would understand your situation. If Boba and Mo, you can also do that. Are you out of your own country because for a career, before for a work? I know how it feels being out away from your family, from the other country, but you know what? I have an opportunity that you don't have to leave your country and your family anymore. You don't have to cry every night because of money. You don't have to cry because you're away from everybody. I have an opportunity for you that can give you 500,000 per month without going out of the house. Do it online, do it with your friends, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. PM me. So that's a specific market. For Jackie, nandiyan ka ba na gusto mo na pahinga sa bahay, gusto mo nang mag-relax kasama ang pamilya mo, apo mo, pero ayaw mo na pag-iiwanan sa buhay, gusto mo pa rin mag-enjoy, na-enjoy mo yung 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 bagong buhay ngayon na pwede ka palang kumita kahit nasa bahay ka, at gusto mo ikaw yung nagbibigay sa mga apo mo ng pera, ikaw sumali ka sa mga GC ng senior citizen, sumali ka sa mga GC ng mga mga ano, mata-touch mo sila kasi may mga nandodo'n din na parang ano, I wanna, maybe I may be a senior citizen, but I want to do something valuable in life. I still want to work. I still wanna move. I still wanna be young. I'm energetic. I still wanna talk to people. May market 'yun. Lalo na 'pag pinasok mo yung barley sa market na 'yun, ay sasabog ka. Engage with your audience. So, putting your image, putting your image, your self packaging, talking to a specific market. Now the next question is, how do you talk to them? You have to actively participate in online communities. Sometimes wala kang inquiries online, go join GCs, groups, communities, a lot of communities. I joined high school, college, blah blah blah, etc. blah blah blah. Chit-chat ka lang doon, chat 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 chat. Hi guys, I'm PB, I'm doing blah 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 blah. In short, kung dati para magkaroon ka ng kaibigan, lalabas ka, babarkada ka, iinom ka, gigimik ka, iba na ang panahon ngayon. Gusto mong kumuha ng barkada, sumali ka sa mga GC. Hi guys, chat-chat kayo doon. Yun na ngayon ang barkadahan. In English, join group chats, join forums, join social media groups related to the niche market you're talking to. If you're talking about basketball players, join basketball players group. If you're talking about young entrepreneurs, join young entrepreneurs group. Ako nakasali ako sa lahat ng network marketing GC sa Facebook. Nagpo-post ako doon everyday. Baka makadangwit ako doon eh. And then, respond to comments and messages, inquiries promptly and professionally. So, syempre, we have to be professionals. We have to answer them professionally. And then we have to respect also our clients. At the end of the day, we may look like we're playing, but we are working. So always be prompt and professional. All right. So now let's go on the new topic. No, this is the continuation from the last night. Number one is the lead generation. Okay. The first goal as an online networker is number one, you need to have a lead. When you say lead, ito yung source of people mo. Dito ka kukuha. Lead are your prospects. Where can you generate unlimited prospects? Sino dito sa YouTube na to, sino dito ang nakikinig ngayon sa video na to, who if you are here listening to this training, do you want to have an unlimited prospects every day that time will come you will never ever think about talking to anyone because you are full of inquiries every day. 10, 20, 30 to 1,000 inquiries every day. Just type me. Type me. Sino yung mga nagsabing, gusto mo bang paggising mo sa umaga, inquiry mo 1,000 na, 200 na, 3,000 na. Just type me. Yan, para may konting interaction kasi nakikick out yung mga hindi nag-interact. Di ba? Di ba? Ang dami na sumagot. Because the first step in network marketing are your prospects. The more people you talk to, the more money you get. The more money you get, the more business you have. Okay? The less people you talk to, the less business you have, the less money you have. So the main goal is for you to have a lot of people to talk to every day. Lead generation. And there are a lot of ways we will going to be talking about how to have a great lead generation. Number two, lead conversion. How can you convert this inquiry to become your member? A lot of people will just inquire how much, inquiring, available, and then after that, wala na. Here in our training, we're gonna be talking about magic landing page or magic price. Paano sila magiging member mo? Paano sila bibili ng 5288 mo or 1788? In the step 2, we are converting the inquiry to become your downline. How they will register online without you going out of your house, automatic downline mo na siya. That's what you call lead conversion. Then number 3, optimization. Ano yung optimization? Dito na yung from 5288, ini-increase mo na siya sa 17.8 up to diamond and so forth. Meron ka ng mga follow-up emails diyan, meron ka ng mga group meetings, improvements and so forth. But now, what's important here, let's talk about the lead generation. Step number 1. In marketing, you need to have a very, 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 very good hook, magic creatives. What is a great hook? When you say hook, marketing starts with a super strong hook. Pag sinabi mong strong hook, it's like fishing in the ocean. We are all fishermen here with different hooks. Okay? The best fisherman has the best hook. One hook can get 100 fishes. Some fishermen are just using a hook, getting no fish at all. Our goal tonight, your goal tonight as a team, our goal tonight as a team is how do we have a strong hook? How can we have inquiries every day? Now, what's the meaning of strong hook? Hook. A hook that grabs attention in millisecond. Di ba meron kayo nakikita mga post sometimes parang nakita sila, tut, tut, tut. Digang, ano yun? Ano kaya meron doon? Di ba? In a simple one word, you can grab the attention of your client. A weak hook is you are just crawled up. Post mo, okay, ito na naman si nag-post na naman natin. Okay. Ay, naku, ito, barley na naman siya. Hehe. Suka na ako sa barley niya. Pak. You don't want that. Ang pag-uusapan natin dito, paano tayo magkakaroon ng strong hook? A strong hook will grab an attention in milliseconds. It conveys an easy to understand concept very quickly. Few words, but they will hook. You will get their attention. It will attract potential customers in. How would you attract that specific market that you are talking to? How would you attract that specific market who will join you with the 5,000 or the 17,000 package? A strong hook is something that would motivate them to stop and look what your post about. Kailangan tumigil sila at tingnan, ano ba ito pinopost nitong taon to? And they should pay attention to whatever you're offering via feeling, inspiration, fear, fun, urgency. Now, a lot of people are asking, PB, okay, our step 1 is we need a strong hook. Now, I know the strong hook now. Paano ako makukuha ng tao? Okay, because that's the number 1. Facebook na ang ating ocean. Nandiyan na ang tao ngayon. Kalahati na ng buhay ng tao na sa Facebook. Diyan na nakikipag-usap, diyan na nagpapakita ng buhay niya, pati feelings niya sa asawa niya, sa jowa niya. Nag-away sila ng jowa niya, pinost niya, nag-away kami kanina. 50% of the society today are living life in Facebook, driving in Facebook, walking in Facebook, jogging in Facebook, talking to someone. I mean, have you seen people eating outside, having dinner with their family, but everybody's looking in their phone, in their Facebook? Because today, that's already the second earth. Everybody's there. Now, we will touch that second earth altogether. Maybe what is the strong hook? It's very simple. Strong hook should be 12 words or less. Ibig sabihin nun, hindi ka pwede, ang dami mo sinabi. Strong hook should be 12 words or less. Pick a specific tone that conveys a feeling. Are you happy? Are you mad? Are you angry? Are you excited? Use words like free. People love saying free. We're free. I want that. Free seminar, free masterclass, how to be a millionaire, free free ebook, free conference meeting, how to earn 1 million in 6 months, free coffee, free. Everybody loves free. then use the word free. Hi guys who wants to have a free barley coffee. Whoever will comment down below and say, me, and I will pick two person, blah, 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 get a free coffee. Something like that. Think about that. But we will have a workshop for this separately. Pero today, pinag-uusapan lang natin yung foundation kung saan tayo pupunta. Okay? So use words like instant. People love instant. Instant mami, instant noodle, instant whitening, instant puti, instant putok. You know what? Lahat ng instant gusto natin eh. So, word like instantly, from a single mom, instantly to becoming a multimillionaire. Ask me how. The secrets to become a multimillionaire in 3 months. Ask me. Effortlessly at home, doing nothing, earn 1 million per month. DM me and be part of my club. Every time, blah, blah, blah. Use numbers. You need use 1 million, you need 2 million, you need to use 300,000 per week. They need to see numbers. Kailangan may value. Instant 1 million in 1 month. Online business. Di mo kailangan umalis sa trabaho, bahay mo para kumita ng 1 milyon kada buwan. Basta may wifi ka, pwede na. PM mo ko. Boom! Always think about you're on the other side of the table. If you are on the other table, would you be interested? Ako, I would be interested. Instant 1 million per month at home doing online. Well, 1 million? Kailangan ko yun 1 month? Gusto ko yun At home, di ako aalis? Wow. Without recruiting. Mas gusto ko yun. Di ba? PM ka dyan. How? How? Di ba? Parang sila aso. How? How? Gracefully use negative words to contrast with the positive. What are the graceful negative words such as stop scrolling, stop stop recruiting your family, stop presenting blah blah blah, yung something, do not do this. So those are graceful negative words. You can also combine all of this. Okay, so we don't worry. I'll talk more further about this one, about hooks on a separate workshop. I will set another workshop with you guys. Pag-uusapan natin lahat doon ng hooks na magagamit natin sa ating pagpo-post. Okay? Gracefully, and then last, guys, it's already 9:15. I have to lower it down already. Use number 1 hyperbolic term. Example, sky high. Earn a sky high income in just 3 months to 2 million per month. Dominate, earth shattering, opportunity. If you are open for to dominate Iloilo with this new opportunity na ako lang ang nagdala dito, PM mo ko. Let's dominate. Olonga po, parang ganon. Yeah, what the fuck? What's that? Before we end, you don't want to get scrolled past. You know, you have to create a hook that can dominate and can get your market's attention. In Tagalog, ayaw mo ma-scroll up ka lang. Imagine mo nagpagod ka sa post, nagpagod ka mag-edit, tapos pagka tinitingnan nila, tinipitik lang nilang pata, ito na naman, ang badoy. You don't want that. You want them to be hooked. Okay, let's end this first. Let's continue again tomorrow. Magic hooks are free, never, lucky, money, secret, you, instantly. So those are the words na pwede natin gamitin. I have to cut this first because I have to respect everybody's time. I know everybody had a very, very long day.